Hi there, this is Teacher Mers, and for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the correct pronunciation of the definite article, the. Some people get confused whether to say it as the or the. I sometimes hear some people say the all throughout their speech or reading. Some say the. So are there really differences between these two? Well, the answer is yes, and one of them is the pronunciation. Okay, but before that, let me start first with the pronunciation of the TH sound. All you have to do is to make sure that your tongue is touching the upper part of your teeth. Just a slight touch, not hard, and don't bite your tongue. Just like what you can see from the picture. It's like this one. One more. Okay, so let's now go to our main topic. Okay, so the first pronunciation is when the definite article the comes before a word that begins with a vowel. Pronounce it like the. So vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So let's take a look at our examples here. Okay, first one, it's an apple. And as you can see, the word apple starts with A, which is a vowel. So you can say it as the apple. The apple. And the next one, the orange. The orange. Because it starts with O, which is, a vowel again. Next one, the umbrella. The umbrella. With U as its first letter. So if ever we're going to make, other examples for E and I, so we can say like the elephant, the egg, and for I, the igloo. Yeah, so that's all for the first pronunciation. And now let's go to another pronunciation of the article the. So when the comes before a word that begins with a consonant, pronounce it like the with a schwa sound. So consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So let's have our examples again. Okay, you can see here a banana. And banana starts with B, which is an example of consonant. So you have to say the banana. The banana. Next one, the kite. The kite. As it starts with letter K, which is consonant again. And last one, the monkey. The monkey with letter M in there, which is a consonant. Okay, so that's all. Let's take a look at our sentences here. As you can see, we have here an apple. So the apple is on the table. The apple is on the table. Next one. The dog is running. The dog is running. And the last one. The dog is licking the ice cream. The dog is licking the ice cream. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.